Larger aftermarket wheels and wider tires are common causes of rubbing. Increasing wheel and tire size is a common modification for various vehicles for cosmetic and performance reasons. However, many components of the wheel well are fixed, including the fenders, body, and components such as springs, struts, steering linkage, and cross tires. Larger aftermarket wheels can cause rubbing, as can wider tires. Wheel spacers can give them more room to avoid rubbing. You can watch where the rubs occurred if you notice rubbing. When the vehicle is steered with wider tires installed, wheel spacers will help you push the wheels away from the vehicle, and wheel spacers will eliminate these rubs. Yes, wheel spacers can easily solve big brake clearance issues. Typically, performance brake calipers are bigger than originally equipped ones. Larger brakes often require more space to fit. Thus, it is necessary to utilize wheel spacers or to upgrade to new aftermarket wheels. However, aftermarket wheels usually vary in style, seat types, and materials. In this case, wheel spacers are the most cost-effective option to maximize wheel fitment easily. Besides, BONOSS FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distribute in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. To sum up, wheel spacers are used to increase the space between the wheel and the wheel hub assembly, effectively pushing the wheel away from the vehicle body or suspension component. By doing so, they can help create additional clearance for larger tires or address issues where the wheel is rubbing against the vehicle fenders or suspension parts.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.